Welcome back, and we begin this segment with a primetime news follow-up. Business is again booming in Treasure Beach and surrounding communities in southern St. Elizabeth months after Hurricane Melissa. This comes as the government moves to build out tourism products in the parish to fast-track recovery efforts. Kalisha Williams has that story.
This was Treasure Beach in St. Elizabeth days after Hurricane Melissa's wrath in October. Fast forward to April 24, 2026, signs of a new dawn. From Jake's Hotel to Jack Sprat, things are looking up once again. Visitors are back in their numbers and the coastline is recovering after the devastation. Speaking during a tour of the communities on Friday, Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett says the signs of recovery are the beginning of what's to come as the government moves to prioritize tourism in St. Elizabeth.
I want to commend Treasure Beach whilst we look at the elements that are to be fixed. As we continue to fix, we want to commend you for what has been fixed because you have solved the initial problem of confidence and trust.
He's calling it Tourism 3.0, plans to create better access to southern coastal areas like Treasure Beach and position places like Black River as a major tourist hub. And that's where he says the recently tabled National Reconstruction and Resilience Authority NARA bill will come in.
With a focus on people development at its heights and tourism experiences as a means of employment and job creation. And I have visions of that boardwalk, Minister Green, as we perambulate through that space that we're going to create, looking like the South Beach of Jamaica.
But to achieve all that, the government will have to make it easier for new players to enter the tourism industry. For example, small operators have complained that the process of acquiring licenses for new businesses has become too onerous. And so Mr. Bartlett says there is a plan.
So we have to make that process easier without compromising on the quality and standards and more affordable. So we don't lock out key players and creatives from the process of growth and development. And that's what NARA is about.
However, until then, the existing tourism players in places like Treasure Beach are looking to create more opportunities for local and international visitors as they fast-track Hurricane Melissa recovery efforts. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.